Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kartika Meliana. I am from Group 4, and now I wanna explanation about descriptive text and recount text. What is descriptive text? Descriptive text is a type of the text in English that clearly describe the properties inherent in something, be it human, animals, plants, or any inanimate object. Jadi, descriptive text adalah jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yang secara jelas mendeskripsikan sifat-sifat yang melekat pada sesuatu, baik itu manusia, hewan, tumbuhan, atau benda mati. Purpose of descriptive text. The social purpose of function of descriptive text is to describe a person, a place, or thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. This type of text is used to describe a person, place, or object in such a way that an image is formed in the mind of the reader. Structure of descriptive text. In the descriptive text, the parts that need to be written are: 1. Identification. The initial paragraph of the descriptive text is identification, which aims to identify the object being discussed. This section does not contain the detailed part of the object. 2. Description. The next paragraph is a description. This section describes the characteristics of the object that have been explained at the beginning of the text. In this section, the object must be described in as much detail as possible so that the characteristic of the object can be clearly illustrated in the mind of the reader. Language feature. It usually uses present tense in sentence. It usually uses some adjective in many sentences, and then it usually in the first person and or in the third person. Example descriptive text. My school is the best and I want to tell you why. This is the largest school in my city with total land area of 10 acres. Situated in Jalan Merdeka, number 23, the location is very easy to find. From the outside, it looks glaring with green buildings and a robust yellow gate. My school has 5 main buildings with many rooms. It also has complete facilities such as cafeteria, sporting courts, mosque, laboratory, library, art room, hall, and many more. My favorite place is art room as I can explore my talent there. This room is equipped with a small stage where I can perform in front of my friends. This is why my school is the best for me. 2. Recount text. Recount text is a type of English text that retells event or experience in the past. The purpose of recount text is to provide information or to entertain readers. Jadi recount text adalah jenis teks bahasa Inggris yang menceritakan kembali peristiwa atau pengalaman di masa lalu. Type of recount text. 1. Personal recount, namely telling about the author's personal experience. 2. Factual recount. It is a report of an event that actually happened, such as a science experiments report, knowledge police report. 3. Imaginative, namely creating an imaginative story and then writing down the event or incidents that have been happened. 4. Biographical recount, which is tell the story of someone's life in the form of a biography. Purpose of recount text. The purpose of recount text is as follows. The purpose of recount text is to entertain or inform the reader. The purpose of communication from recount text is to tell an experience or incidents happened in the past with the aim to entertain and inform reader. Generic structure recount text. Orientation. Orientation or recognition is to provide information about who, where, and when the event or activity occurred in the past. Events are records of events that occurred which are usually presented in chronological order, such as in the first day, and in the next day, and in the last day. In the event section, there is usual a personal comments about the event or event being told. Reorientation. In the reorientation section, there is a repetition of the introduction in the orientation, a repetition that summarizes the series of events or activities being taught. Language features. 1. Using the simple past tense. 2. Adverb of time. Last week, 2 years ago, 3 months ago, etc. 3. Using connecting verbs. Was, were, saw, heard, and etc. 4. Using action words. Look, go, change, and etc. Example recount text. My holiday in Bandung. Orientation. Last year, I went to Bandung. I spent my holiday there. I went to Bandung by train. The train ticket, the train schedule from Cirebon was at 8 a.m. and arrived in Bandung at 12 a.m. Even in the first day, I went to Bandung Zoo because I love animals. The ticket price was only 2,500. The animals there was very complete. In the second day, I went to biological museum and talked with the guide about geology. It made made me understood about geology. I saw rock collection there. After that, I went to Bandung train station because I had to go home to Cirebon. Reorientation. My holiday in Bandung was only 2 days, but it was a very interesting holiday. Thank you.